So just to show you now how easy gravy is to make, all I have in here is fresh thyme combined with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, shallot halved, clove of garlic smashed, and in there also we have a Knorr chicken stock pot, which is all I had in my house, in spite of the fact I'm eating beef today. No pepper. You don't need any pepper because of the stock in it. That has plenty. Sorry, no salt even. Don't need any salt because the stock has plenty of salt in it, and I've just boiled the kettle. But got to have one quick secret ingredient, which is plain flour from anywhere, and just about oh, a bit more. Yeah, that'll do. If you need more, you can always add it in later. It's not an issue. And get the kettle now. And I have to be pretty quick picking up that fork because I don't want that flour to coagulate. So, and here we go. Right, fork. Making gravy. I'm making gravy. It's not looking thick enough. I need some more flour in a bit, I expect. But I'm gonna keep doing this just for now. Oh, hang on. I can reduce it down. It will reduce down on its own. That's the problem also. Okay, that's good. It's looking like it's not sticking. However, it is very thin gravy. So obviously we need to get more flour in there progressively to thicken it up. I was a bit shy with flour because it's, well, not that time even, because it's a bit of a tricky, or can be a tricky ingredient to use. Oh, how's this gonna, oh fuck's sake, spilling everywhere. I just don't want it to go into the little, it fucking has as well. It's not gonna be bad gravy anyway, but it'll be like, it'll be mediocre gravy, and I have bits in it. Then again, it's got loads of bits in it anyway because of the thyme and the. You just get these little. Really not a food processor, so you need to strain it really, which I can do because I've got cheesecloth in the other room, but it depends whether or not I can be bothered and whether or not this is going to be just like a good enough gravy. And then all those flavours are going to get to know one another as it sits. But this is just more of an exercise in trying to prove how easy gravy is to make. And we've got a roast in the air fryer currently. I reckon it's going to need something nice and moist on it, but I have in essence just made chicken gravy, so I'm not 100% certain how. Oh, it's actually coming like. I still see bits in it though. I still see bits of bunched up flour. I just put too much flour in. So if you want something more regimented and like less slapdash than this, I'd recommend a tablespoon of flour, mix in, put another tablespoon in, and keep adding as you need to add it. Don't do what I just did. Like what I did was just a bit like flamboyant, and me trying to be Keith Floyd or someone, or like me trying to be Ramsay. It smells fucking delightful though, honestly. And if you can tolerate a few bits of flour in your gravy, yeah, like this is a way to make perfectly good gravy. And you know, we're not setting out to win Michelin stars here, I don't think. This is just a quick guide to home cooking. Quite good. Bitty, but yeah, tasty. And then that'll cool down for some time. I spend some time cooling down. I might even strain it, I don't know. Oh, look at all the bits in there, look at that. It's fucked. If you see what I did, you add the flour gradually. This is a total failure. It's not a total failure because the principle is basically the same, and this gravy is thickened up. It's about gravy consistency. But yeah, I mean, that is basically gravy. I just made a mistake with the flour and I was getting impatient. I wanted to do it for the video, really. But yeah, thank you for watching. It's how to make gravy, more or less. Bye bye bye. Love you lots.